After exploring the caves of Lagos, we took a detour on the way back to our boats to meet another sailing couple and to check out their amazing floating home.
42 catamaran. I can't wait to see that. Oh, wait.
Meet the sea heroes Fleur and Ronald and their Lagoon 42 catamaran. We spent 3 nights at Lagos, had a party aboard MAKANI and also stocked up for our trip to Albufeira. We are anchored at Albufeira, and this is just the worst anchorage we have ever been to. It's very rolly and it's so exposed to the Atlantic swell, and there are like crazy people circling our boat with jet skis. And yeah, so we decided not to stay here any longer and to sail to Faro today. If Albufeira was the worst anchorage, Culatra was easily the best anchorage. And after almost 2 weeks of living the simple sailing life on our island of happiness, it was time to say goodbye. Ronald and Fleur started to sail towards Andalusia in Spain, and we watched them leave the anchorage early in the morning. A couple of days later, it was our turn to leave, and we had a goodbye barbecue with Saskia and Miguel aboard Saetta.
Nice. Yeah. Can I vlog it? Don't talk to me.
It's your barbecue, man.
Ah, smoky.
continuing to Andalusia was a challenge. Not only because it was so sad to say goodbye, but also because of the sea state that was waiting for us at the channel exit. A few factors can make the entrance and exit of the Faro Lagoon difficult. First of all, the entrance is getting narrow and shallow, and the outgoing tide is fighting against the incoming waves from the Atlantic Ocean. The result are very short and steep waves in this area.
What an exit!
This phenomenon is local, and luckily you only have to go through 150 meters of this madness. Thanks for watching. Join us next time when we beat into the wind and face a rough sea on our way to Cadiz. See you!